E-filing is going to be the future. So how comfortable are the e-filers in understanding this e-filing, how tax returns are to be filed? So if you're able to communicate that language with the e-filers, that's the best thing, that's the trick of execution that we can expect. So taxmail.com does exactly that portion. So it simplifies the tax related matters and talks a language which the normal assessees can understand. Do you have salaried income? Do you have house property income? Do you have interest from fixed deposit? These are the small and simple questions that it asked. Based on these questions, taxmail.com picks up the right return that you need to fill, and it also picks up the modules that needs to be filled. It is not that the entire return is shown or asking you which return you want to fill. So when it chooses the right return and the right modules, you start filling in the details in a more conversational mode, like how we two individuals are talking. Once this is done, the tax computation is shown in front of the assessee, and uh, he is confirming that yes, everything is filled in there, and this is what I want to file. He clicks the submit button. That's where he goes for the payment gateway, makes a payment, and then it's all done. And you have to take a printout of ITRV if you are not using a digital signature and send it to CPC Bangalore or Taxman office in Bangalore. See, tax filing is something statutory which everyone has to comply with if there is a taxable income. So how comfortable if I am able to take control of this entire statutory obligation that we are supposed to do. So if any solution that kind of enables me in doing it by myself, that's the biggest benefit that we can expect. So in taxmile.com we have for the individuals 3 different variants. One is TaxMile Silver, the other one is TaxMile Gold, and then the TaxMile Premium Services. TaxMile Silver is tax preparation and e-filing, and it gives the comfort of filing it electronically. You take the printout of ITRV and send it to CPC. The second one, TaxMile Gold, is you're avoiding even that single paper. You're using digital signature for filing your tax returns. It is tax preparation, e-filing with digital signatures. That's TaxMile Gold. That is 400 rupees. And then the premium, where there are some assessees who have some complicated issues which they would want to discuss with a panel of tax experts. So we do have a panel of tax experts who will be helping you in your preparation or filing, or even after filing services throughout the year. So that's a premium service which we charge for 2,000 rupees. So these are the different variants that we offer for the consumers in e-filing.